Hello everyone, welcome to my catering services. Today I'm going to show you how you can reduce starch from making fufu powder. And you see how it's nice. Put the saucepan you are going to use on fire, pour the water. The water, you can use water cooker to cook it, or you can put the cold water on fire. When it's boiled, you add your potato powder to it, because I'm come to make porridge. So the porridge, I don't want the light, I don't want thicker, so I'm making like medium. So that's what I'm going to use to reduce the starch from fufu powder. And you make it like this, you stir it nicely. And you see, let it be boiled. You see how it's boiling? Yeah, that's what it's supposed to be. And you add your fufu powder to it and you stir it. This fufu is one person. Only me, I'm going to eat this fufu. It's just for one person, not for two persons. So remember to put some of your water you cook aside. Add hot water. Don't add the cold one, add the hot one. So when you are making it, try to put some of your hot water aside. That's what you want. If you want it hard, you can make it hard, but I don't want too much hard, I don't want too much soft. So that's what I'm making my own. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and press the notification bell on my YouTube channel. Like, follow, and share my Facebook page. And follow my Instagram page too. And continue drive or stirring your fufu. Yeah. It will take 5 to 6 minutes. Now you can lower your fire small, not too low or not too high. You see how the fufu look? It look like the one we make it in Africa. You put your cassava and your plantain on fire. You see how it look? The same you're supposed to. The starch has reduced. You can see the starch has reduced. The starch they add for fufu powder, they are selling it, is very too much. So the potato powder help you to reduce the starch. Now the fufu is ready. You transfer to the bowl you are going to use to eat. The fufu powder they are making now have too much starch. So what I show you helping you to reduce the starch from it. And you mold it the way you make your original fufu in Africa or anywhere. You do it, do the same to this one. You see how nice it looks. Thanks to my old subscribers. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell. Hit the notification bell there. And leave your comment on my comment section. The fufu is ready to eat. You see how nice it look? You can serve with your favorite soup you want. And I have delicious healthy soups on my YouTube channel. You can take some and make it and eat with your fufu, and it's very healthy. Thanks for watching my catering services.